Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Cooper from the Mountain Bike Co-op, and today we're looking at my new 2020 Trek Checkpoint ALR 5. I went down to Oregon and picked up this bad boy this past weekend and took it on a test ride in Redwoods National Park, where I rode gravel, single track, double track, pavement, you name it, and I got my first impressions of it. So, is this the most capable gravel bike that I've ever ridden? Well, stay tuned to find out. So I've been in the market for a gravel and do-it-all kind of bike for a while now. And after test riding about 10 different bikes, I ultimately settled on the Trek Checkpoint. Being a mountain biker by background, I was looking for something that could really handle anything that I threw at it. So whether it be road, pavement, gravel, single track, bike packing, etc. Those were kind of the requirements I had in a gravel bike, and the Trek Checkpoint fit all my requirements. Why a Trek Checkpoint? So like I said before, I was looking for a bike that can do it all, and everybody I have known that owns a Checkpoint and all the reviews out there say it's one of the most capable bikes that they've ever ridden. From road riding, you can throw some slick tires on it, and it's pretty aggressive geometry, to crushing single track and pavement. It's this bike that allows you to do pretty much anything you want on it. So for what I'm going to be using it for, I would say like 80% road riding, 20% gravel / bike packing. It was the perfect fit for me. Some of you are already probably commenting, hey, why didn't you go with the 2021 version of the Trek Checkpoint? Well, I actually test rode that and didn't really like the new Shimano GRX group set. The front chainring is only 46 teeth on it, on the GRX, and the 2020 version, which I have here, has a 50-tooth chainring on the front. So for my riding style, which is going to be about 80 to 90% on the road, I figured having that max speed and that lower gear is going to help me in the long run. So based on your riding style, I highly recommend you check out the 2020 version if you're more road focused rather than being somebody that crushes those huge single track hills and those long fire road climbs. So that's why I went with the 2020 version over the 2021. So after driving to Oregon to pick this guy up, I actually took it down to the Redwoods with my girlfriend, and we did the Oregon Loop, which is a 20-mile loop that combines gravel, single track, and pavement. So it was a really good first ride on the Checkpoint to see how truly capable this bike is. So let's check out some footage of the ride this weekend, and we'll dive into my impressions after. All right, so I'm on my new Trek Checkpoint, and we're gonna be doing the Oregon Loop in Prairie Creek in the Redwoods National Park. There's gonna be some gravel, some single track, some double track, and I'm gonna get a good sense of how this bike feels and handles on all three different terrains. So stay tuned, and we'll see what my thoughts are. Man, this is beautiful. Nice. All right, we just got back on the road from the Osagan Trail and headed back to the car. Single track, handled great. Double track, it was awesome. We'll see how it handles on the road. So I hope you guys liked the footage of the Osagan Loop. It was such a fun route, and if you're in the area, I highly recommend you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description on the trail and how you can get there and the route that we took. But overall, my impressions of the Trek Checkpoint are a astounding 10 out of 10. Considering the route that we took and the mud and roots and rocks that this drop bar 40 millimeter tired bike could handle, I was so impressed. Honestly, unless you're going like downhill and enduro style riding, I'm pretty sure this bike can handle it all. So I was very impressed with the single track and gravel capabilities of it, and let alone its ability to go fast on the road. So I actually went and crushed like a 20-mile-an-hour ride the other day, and it was quick. So if you have any doubts of getting a bike that's more gravel oriented and not being able to keep up with your buddies on the road, don't fret. This is a fast bike on the road too. So all in all, I think this is the perfect package and the perfect bike you can get for doing everything. So it has my highest regard, and if you can, I recommend you get to a local Trek dealer. Check these out, whether it be the 2021 or an older version. These Checkpoints are super capable bikes, and I would recommend them to anybody. So with that, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you want, or drop a comment down below what gravel bike you're riding. I'd love to know what my followers are doing and what they're up to. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.